Okay, let's give you guys some practice. So here I've got an isosceles triangle, meaning the two sides are of the same length. And I want you to find an angle here such that this whole area equals 4. And there are two solutions. One, and there's another angle that also gives you an area of 4. So find values of x where it will give me an area of 4. So press pause and have a go. Okay, so the secret to doing this is to cut this triangle up. So it's cut it along here. So now you've got a right angle triangle. Let's call this length here y. So y equals well, sine this angle here will be y over 10. And then if you want to know the length y, then make y the subject. So times both sides by 10, that will then give you this. Now that you know this whole length, which is given by this thing here, so if you get the base of the triangle times the vertical height, that will give you a rectangle, and then divided by 2. So hang on, let's start again here. If I get this length, which is 10, and then times the vertical height, which is this length here, 10 sine x, so that will then give me the area of this rectangle, and then if I divide it by 2, it will give me the area of the triangle. But I want the area of the triangle to have an area of 4, so I set it to 4. So basically this will then take us to here. So now it's just a matter of finding x here. So 10 times 10 is 100, divided by 2, that would be 50. So now divide both sides by 50, that will then take you to here. So now, hang on. So now draw a quick graph of, simplify this, divide top and bottom by 2, so that will then become this. Now draw a quick sine graph, or draw a graph of sine x, that will look like this. I want a height of 2 over 50, that would be this thing here. So our answer would be right here and right here. So if you want to know this value of x here, this is one solution, x, this is the other solution, let's call it x2. So so from here, inverse sine equally to both sides, that will then give you this. Jump to a calculator and compute this, that will then give you this. So what that means is this x1 here equals 4.59 approximately. So what that means is this is our first solution. And then if you want this point here, then jump to 180 and then take away 4.59. That will then give us this thing here. So this is our second solution. So what that means is the first angle is 4.59. That will give you an area of 4. And then the other solution, if you get 180 take away 4.59, it will give you this second angle. And this angle here also gives you an area of 4. Okay.